Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate a background using the Canva app. So as you can see here guys, I'm in Canva and I currently have an image here of this guy, pointing in the white background. So all you have to do guys is just simple go ahead and click on a picture, for example, and you will have a bunch of options up here, and you want to go ahead and you can just swipe across until you find Magic Studio. Tap on the Magic Studio, and here you will find, for example, the BG generator. So tap on that, it's very new. Click on that and you can just type whatever you want. So let's say I want to put, for example, city behind him, or whatever. Let's say a city, right? I can simple type in the city, and let's say he's pointing towards a city, right? I can go ahead and I can type in the city and I can just hit generate, and it's going to quickly try to generate a city to put on the background there. So let's just wait for the AI to quickly generate some options for us that we can quickly go ahead and choose from. So as you can see here guys, it's currently generating, and all we have to do is just wait a moment. And as you can see here guys, it quickly generates some city. I can go ahead and I can just choose something that I want. I would say this one looks much better, and yeah, it could be anything. This is just what I think, and you can, once you satisfy, you can simply stretch it out. You can, even set it as background. You can do whatever you want with that, but that's how super cool it is to easily use AI to generate a background for your image, right? Very easy. And once you're finished, just click and done guys, or scroll down, click and done, and that's it. You generate a background using the power of AI in the Canva app.